What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be finally upgrading the TV that used to be in the garage with this Secchi 50-inch, and we're going to be wall mounting it right about here. So we don't need anything super crazy. This thing holds like 60 something pounds. This thing is a 25-pound TV. So we're going to have to mount this somewhere in this corner, and we're going to have to put this TV on it. So I think we're going to be using some pretty big ass bolts to put the actual mount in. This will attach the mount to the back, and then these are for a shelf that we have also got over here, so we can throw the laptop on some shelves and all the other stuff that's in the corner there sitting next to this subwoofer. That way we can have our sound system and everything and our Alexa sitting on the shelves, which will go somewhere over here as well. Most likely under the TV somewhere, but we're gonna have to mount this bitch kind of high. So let's figure out where we want to mount this thing and go from there. So the only complaint I have about this mount so far is it comes with some pretty trash ass hardware. I mean, I'm not even using I'm using a 3/8 Milwaukee drill. It stops at 16, putting it into the wall because they're kind of long into the stud. But on drill, you go a little bit too far, man. Just broke it off. But thank God, I think we're gonna be okay, because I mean, I'm basically hanging on that. So now we just gotta get the TV kind of up there. This lower portion will sit on top of here. So as long as I can hang it and then put this 2 screws in on the side, see how it goes. So let's see what we get. Let me put this baby on the tripod. I know Will might be mad, but gotta have some kind of content. Yeah, that might not work. We have to do the same we did before. Slide the TV over here. At least that's good. Okay. Pretty good so far. So like that. You gotta think we're gonna be sitting pretty much like down here at this angle. So we might tilt it up just a hair. That's better. Oh yeah. Okay. I think we're pretty good. And it keeps the banner open and stuff, and the signs are pretty much out of the way. I think that was pretty successful, huh? Well, we're gonna mount this freaking shelf here somewhere. You got to kind of figure it out. It goes this way. It sucks because that right here would be about perfect. It's not gonna have anything heavy on it, so I think we should be able to just use some small screws. Where's the hardware kit? Alrighty, so we got everything attached, TV cleaned up, got it everything. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Just kind of getting the garage space the way I want it. Now we don't have a TV here anymore, and we have room to do stuff right here. And then we have some room down here, which most of the time this bag will sit with the jump packs in it. But now we get the whole top of this thing to kind of do whatever with. So, awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.